Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel here and turn on the notification bell. Today's videos, we're going to talk about highly anticipated holiday gift sets by one of the most iconic brands on the earth. It is not Yibu Beauty yet. It's by Lancôme. And this is the 9 full-size favorite holiday gift sets. We're going to review this and see if this is worth the money. Do I recommend you buy or not? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. So every year during the holiday season, every major cosmetic company will come out this called a blockbuster, meaning that they put their best popular item in one box and then give a really great value. I mean, that's just something that everyone's waiting for every single year. And I think the biggest one is going to have to be Estée Lauder and Lancôme. And Lancôme this year, I think they beat Estée Lauder. They released this a little earlier. I wouldn't call this their blockbuster because I think they may have another one. But this is definitely, I think, the most valuable set. So this is the, what I call, I have in my notes right here. It's called a Lancôme Beauty Box. And it's $75. This set is $75, right? But it's worth a $42 purchase at Lancôme, meaning you need to buy any product at Lancôme at least at $42. Then you can purchase this for $75. If you're not familiar with this type of marketing, this is called a purchase for purchase. But this particular one is a value, are you ready, at $440, and they'll contain 9 full-size items in here. Wow, I think it's really cool that they changed this. In the past, they will say, with any XYZ amount purchased in fragrances, then you can buy this. But now it's with any item. The item I purchased is their Multivital Eye Cream with Sunblock SPF 30. Because it is really hard to find a good sunblock already. Finding a good sunblock for around the eye area is almost impossible. And Lancôme, I mean, I just thought, you know what, since I need to buy something for $45, I might as well get that right now. So this is the one, and let me show you guys a little bit. So it comes out like opaque, and it has a sunscreen smell. It's pretty strong. So I'm gonna have to give it a try for a while to show you guys if this is worth your money. But I'm pretty excited about this. So I bought this, then I purchased the beauty box. Alright, so let's open this baby. I'll go through one by one. I want to know if anybody already purchased this. I'd love to hear that. I know, what do you think about this box? Alright, so it comes with a really decent makeup pouch, like a big bag. Definitely a full leather. It feels really soft, very smooth. Has their holiday star right here. And when you open this, it comes with 9 items, including the exclusive holiday eyeshadow palette. And there's 1 piece Genifique face mask. So we're gonna go through one by one right now. The item in here, none of them come with the box. It's just the full-size items only. Which is okay, and this is the most iconic product from Lancôme. So this is the best part. This box is $75, right? This is the 1 ounce Advanced Genifique Serum. This is retail for $78. So this alone is already more than everything else is in here. That's why it's worth over $440. So let's talk about what is this. It's Radiant Boost Anti-Aging Serum. So what this serum will do is, by the way, I never used this, but I heard about this so much. It basically strengthens your skin barrier, defends against its external damage from pollution, UV, cold, dry weather, so when you use, so this product will help against all environmental damage. It provides hydration, reduce lines of wrinkle, and it says right here after you use 1 month, you can see a visible result on reduced fine lines of wrinkle. Wow, that's a lot of promising. And I'm not gonna give you all this information. I'm gonna put a screen right somewhere you can see it. There's a lot of clinical tests. It won over 170 beauty awards. Wow, that's really fantastic. Let's give it a try here. This is the dropper, and people don't realize that when they have a dropper like this, you just use the whole dropper. That's how much you really need for your entire face. It's a very lightweight serum. It has a light scent. Lancome is known for their scent, but it's not to the point that too strong, you know, so it's not bad. I think the brand I really don't like, honestly, is by Dior, because there's so much perfume in there. And they're just drying to the skin. So this is a great serum, can be used day or night. So the next item, it's the partner item. It's the Advanced Genifique Eye. And this is, whoa! So I was gonna say, oh, this is so tiny. This is a 20 ml, 0.67 ounce. This alone is $70. So this two product alone is over $140 already, almost $150. Wow, that's a lot. So it really focused on reduce dark circle and the bag under the eye and then brightening the eye area. That's the main purpose. And they have a very cool technology. Is this little, let me show you guys. Little round dropper right here. You see that? You just massage around the eye area. So it has a cooling effect right here. You know, one thing about skincare, I love the idea that cooling effect around the eye, but when you rub around the eye area and you put it back into the jar or the bottle, I just don't like that myself. So I would probably prefer just use the finger and just pat it on here. So this is definitely great for daytime to use. Like I always say, skincare, you need to see what is this product target and what does this do. So if this is focused on reduce puffiness, dark circle, oh, did I say the puffiness? Reduce dark circle in the bag under the eye, and definitely you want to use it in daytime. So yeah, okay, let's see what else they have in here. So far, what do you think? I think this is really great. I mean, really great stuff. The next item here is the full-size moisturizer. It is the RÉNERGIE Lift Multi-Action Ultra Moisturizer with SPF 30. Oh, another day treatment. That's really great. The 1 ounce, this baby is $49. RÉNERGIE, oh my god. So, I don't know if you guys know this. My first cosmetic job was at Lancome. I mean, it was a very long time ago. And I remember that was like 20-some years ago. I remember that during that time, their iconic moisturizer for anti-age is RÉNERGIE. Now this is the new revised one, obviously after 20 years. I mean, it actually kind of smells like the original one. Like, oh my god, I think it does smell like the old one I have for a long time. And this is with a sunblock in there. It's definitely more creamier, and it's definitely good. Has to be daytime because of sun protections in here. And what this do for you, let's see. It's a multitasking face moisturizer that visibly reduce dark spot, lift, and firm the skin. Sounds fantastic. So you probably noticed that the moisturizer is actually cheaper than the serum. And the reason why the serum usually is packed with more potent ingredients and they can penetrate deeper than the moisturizer. So the serum usually is a little bit more expensive. And then there's one piece of a Genifique Hydrogel melting mask. So one piece is $15. When you buy one box, it's 4 pieces, and that's $55. And let's see, what is this? So this hydrogel mask provides hydrations, instant radiance, smoothness, plump the skin, and all it takes 10 minutes. That's pretty good. They were talking about, I remember somebody say that one mask is equal, not the whole bottle of Genifique, like some ingredient in Genifique is in the one mask. And there's a lot of them. And also it's very popular right now, like, you know, the company, they use the most hero product and they put that product a lot in one mask and you see instant result. And I get people say that, well, if this mask can do so much, why should I be using the serum? Just remember, this is a booster. You put in so much in one time. And honestly, your skin can only absorb so much anyway. So result is really temporary. And after 3 days, it's gone. So that's why you want to use the serum daily. But this is good, $15, fantastic. Now we want to talk about makeup right here. So I don't know if you guys know this, the best eye makeup remover in the whole wide world, it's by Lancome BI-FACIL. I mean, I know this when I worked on Lancome over 20 years ago. It's a two-phase liquid and then you want to shake it here. Once you shake it, you put this on a cotton pad, you place on the eyelid, hold it for a few seconds, you wipe it, you remove everything. Absolutely amazing. It's been tested to save use around the eye, even they get to the eye won't cause irritation. This is in here. And then they also offer 2 mascara. Lancome is known for their mascara too. And this is the DÉFINICILS. Oh my god. DÉFINICILS, it's been with Lancome over 20 years. So DÉFINICILS meaning, you know, defined lashes, that's the name. And this should be a very defined brushes. You can see that. It provides that individual length of lashes, which is really great. And I see what's the white one. I think this one is the booster, right? So this is the Cell Booster XL. So you use this first. It's basically fibers in there over the lashes. And then when you put your mascara over, it will make it longer and thicker. Fantastic. And then they have this Lancôme lipstick. You press, it pops out. And this is a beautiful iconic red. During the holiday, everyone should have a red lipstick. I mean, it brightens the skin, make you look better immediately. And now I want to show you the eyeshadow here, if I can get this out. So far, I think this is fantastic. So this is Starlight Face Palette, and it comes with 4 highlighter colors. Okay, let me just kind of do a quick swatch right here. So this is the purple color. Wow, they have pretty high pigment. And I do the pink one. Okay, the pink one's kind of soft. It's barely to see it. The gold colors. But it's interesting that when I put this on the skin, it kind of roll off a little bit. I'm kind of surprised to see that they should be a little bit better quality. That's the gold. And then this the beige highlight, kind of peach colors. So I mean, nothing exciting about this product, unfortunately, but you know, you're really getting it's the skincare, and that's what is really cool. And then of course, during the holiday season, everybody need a beautiful scent. So they offer one of their iconic fragrance. Well, that's what I say. I think the iconic fragrance for Lancome. Leave a comment below. Let me know what do you think. What is the iconic fragrance for Lancome? I think the iconic Lancome fragrance should be Trésor. I mean, that has been with Lancome for I don't know how many years. So this is what is this called? Oh please, something Labelle. I mean, it smells wonderful though. I mean, it smells beautiful. The La Vista Labelle fragrance. I mean, Lancome, the way they use this is kind of very traditional, like French or like an older perfume. They just put a tip right here, just put it right here on the skin. Very classic. Very sweet. It's a very sweet fragrance. Not a fresh scent or not a wood. It's a sweet, it kind of reminds you of a little bit like vanilla candy or like cotton candy smell. So it's a very lovely scent. So, I mean, I think if you ask me, this is worth $75. Absolutely. I mean, the product here, they are full sizes. Those two, I mean, this alone is more than $75. So I have to spend $45, right? So I bought this I think is $42. So 2 of this is basically cover the whole entire eye price. And you're getting the makeup remover, you're getting mascara, moisturizer, lipstick. I think it's really fantastic if you like Lancome or if you want to give a Lancome a try. And what would I recommend you to buy for the first $45 purchase or more? Right now, there's so many special, and there will be even more special for holiday season. Just kind of check out around Lancome and what I have and pick what you want. Or you can buy something for gift and keep this for yourself. There's so many possibilities that you can do. One thing I want to remind you is that right now Lancome is having a gift. basically, Bloomingdale's having a gift, Lancome.com have a gift, but I definitely feel like stuff like this is gonna sell out pretty fast. So you need to act quick. You know, don't think about too long, because once this is gone, it's gone. And I think this is a really great deal. I don't believe this is the blockbuster for holiday. Usually they do a really big one, but this could be the blockbuster. I don't know. I don't work for them, but it just say the holiday sets. So yeah, let me know what you think about today's video. They just released this about 2 days ago and 3 days ago, so you definitely should be able to still find this product. If you get it, let me know how you like the product. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!